Allow me to introduce our first judge. She has been engaged in numerous consultancy works, both local and international organizations, especially in labor and employment statistics and government statistics project. Ladies and gentlemen, the former Deputy Administrator of NSO, Ms. Nelia Marquez. Our second judge is the Director of the Bureau of Agricultural Statistics. He once served as the Assistant Secretary for Policy and Planning at the Department of Agriculture. He had also been involved in research and consultancy here and abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, Director Romeo Reside. The chairperson of our Board of Judges is an expert on population research and policy who is recognized both in local and international scenes. Early this year, she was proclaimed as the country's newest national scientist in the field of demography. Ladies and gentlemen, the mother of demographers, Dr. Mercedes Concepcion. Thank you, judges. Now, you have met our finalists. Okay? You have met our judges. Only one integral part remains before we go into the contest proper. You need to meet this year's quiz master. Our quiz master is a BS. So BS Mathematics graduate at the University of the Philippines of Los Baños, Laguna. He is a former president of the UPLB Society of Math Majors and the chartered president of UPLB Painters Club. He currently works as a computer programmer in the Information Technology Systems and Research Division under the Information Resource Department of NSO. But on Fridays, after hours, he relaxes in a regular video pool with me, together with some other notable colleagues in here, whom are all present here coincidentally. He was invited to become this year's quiz master for the PSQ after pundits surrounding the NSO administrator became inspired upon hearing his modulated voice when he reported his piece in a planning workshop. I made a pact, and I intend to keep it. And now, your quiz master for the 19 PSQ, the rocking and the rolling, otherwise known as the old lady, Mr. Jeffrey Ogaya.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Noel Perez, for that fantastic introduction, which I myself have written. I must return the favor by saying I am humbled by your introduction, Mr. Chick Magnet. Handsome guy who can sing possibly better than Michael today. Patanggal ng tension. Kasi, tense pa kayo, mga contestants. Ako nag-tense. Okay, before we proceed, I have to read to you the national finals contest mechanics.